if you want to stop apps from opening automatically in Android, so let's start with unwanted links. You have to open up your settings. After that, we have to scroll down to apps. Now choose your choose default apps. Great. Now here let's find our opening links and make sure to find your instant apps and turn off this option. Great. Now let's go to the next step. So opening up your settings. Now you have to scroll down to our About Phone tab, find our software information and find our build number. Now let's tap on it 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's enter our PIN. Great, now we've got our build number. So scroll down, here's our developer options, open it up. Here we gotta find our running services. Open up our running services. And here you control which services you want to work and which services you don't want to work. For example, I want to stop this process. Tap here, press stop, it's gonna be stopped. And that's how you do this. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.